Hi guys! Guys, today I'm holding a bird. Look, his name. I have a new pet. It's a bird, and his name is Sam. Like that. And he's a little bit bigger than the last time.
Okay.
So
We'll see. Look at the television. He will gonna fly. Wait. So what's the name of your bird?
Sam.
Your pet?
Sam.
Wait. Get closer. It's blur. Wait. There you go, Sam. Talk to Sam. Or
Sam is like a little bit bigger. He's a little bit bigger. I need to feed him rice, but Daddy needs to do it.
Yeah, let her know. Let's see, guys, can see it.
Say hi, Sammy.
Hi, Sammy.
I think he needs to put you like that because he's looking at the camera. Say hi.
Hi, Sammy. Wait. Come closer. Hi, Sammy. I'll see you closer. There you go. So what's the name of your bird?
Sam.
Sam. So, you tell the guy that he can go inside to our house and then you caught him.
Yeah, we caught him.
So, what is Sam's doing? I want to feed him with rice. I'll do it. I'll try to do it.
No, the little one.
A little one.
No, the other one.
Okay.
Little other one.
Be careful kasi mag-fly siya. Then we'll put him in the tree, okay? Sam! Oh, he's not gonna eat it.
I think he's not hungry.
Huh?
You do it. You put him in the tree. I'm gonna hold him.
Huh?
You put him in.
Yeah, you can see bye-bye muna to him. Because you cannot see him naman. If you put in the tree, tomorrow he will gonna fly away and not.
Say bye, Sam.
How about you? You gonna bye to him?
Bye, Sam. Bye,
Do
Sam.
not kiss him. Just watch. After that, you wash your hands properly, huh?
Okay. Can you hold him?
Okay.
Can you hold him?
So, abnormal. That's Sam. Remember the small bird?
Yeah, he's eating.
He's eating. That's remember that's your pet bird.
Yeah. He's a
Do
little
not
bit bigger.
see your face.
He's
Because I'm doing a video.
He's a little.
Head. Normal. There you go. That's Sam in there. Oh, that's maybe his father. There you go. Your trip. You're now family. There is his brother. Brother of Sam, guys. Look at them, guys. Gian'z feeding them food. They're eating it. Okay.